Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to fix stories unavailable on Instagram. So to do that, you have to head over to your Instagram application first. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your try to see the story you wanna see. And if it shows unavailable, then try using another device or account. And if the problem is still going on, try clearing your app cache. So how can you do it? Keep tapped on your Instagram. Go to the info icon. Now go to storage. Now in here, clear the cache. Tapping on clear cache. Go back and here, if you have a private account and you can't see their story, then you can know that you are removed from their following list or you may be blocked. So these are the fixes you can try to solve the issue of the stories unavailable on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.